channel, I thought why not do a get to know me video while I create this makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. I'm beginning with the moisturizer from the Face Shop for that hydration. I'll try my best to mention the names of the products I'm using. Just in case I miss, I'll be tagging all the products in the description. So don't forget to check them out. And let's start with the basics. My name is Raisa Mendonça, and here's a fun fact. People think I am Muslim because of my name, but I'm a Roman Catholic. Also, I have a middle name, Joylita. It's not a family name or anything, it's just mine. The lip balm I'm using is from the brand Nivea. It is worth all your money and it heals chapped lips. And that's me showing off my minimal mehendi. Next, I'm using the primer from Smashbox. It has been my all-time favorite. And I'm from Tallur, a village in Udpi district. I'm a Mangalorean and my mother tongue is Konkani. I have always been a night owl. Waking up early has never been my thing, although I'm trying to get better at it. Next, let me talk about my relationship with sports. Let's just say we never really got along back in school. I wasn't the sporty kid at all. Jumping, running, throwing, not my thing, but badminton, that was something I really enjoyed playing, maybe because it felt more manageable. Either way, it was the closest to I got being sporty. Next, here I'm using the foundation from Nykaa. It has a buildable formula. If you're looking for something affordable, then do check this out. It gives a medium to high coverage. I don't know why beauty creators don't talk about this product. Now, let me tell you about my sibling dynamic. I'm the elder one, a solid 5 years gap with me and my sister. She's 5 years younger to me. Here I'm using this brush from Swiss Beauty. I have recently switched from beauty blenders to brushes and there's no going back. So, coming back to my sibling, growing up, we never really got along. We constantly used to fight. I think that's the normal household thing, right? But now that we have grown up, I really miss those moments of just chilling together. She's currently abroad, but I can't wait for her to visit India soon. I have a whole list of plans ready for us. Speaking of travel, Dubai has been my most visited destination since my dad worked there and we spent many summer vacations there. Also, can you see that shade match? This foundation is literally my skin in a bottle. What do you think? I'm setting my base with Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. Been repurchasing this product for a while now and I love how it works. Here for setting my under eye, I had seen this hack somewhere and it really works for me. I live in Pune and this city has my heart. I've been here for almost a decade and I'm still discovering new reasons to love it every day. And I am married. My birthday is on 4th November and I'm a Scorpio and I'm also a overthinker. If you are a Scorpio and a November born, do comment Scorpio emoji. And if there's one thing I could eat every day, it has to be hands down seafood. I just can't get enough of it. Some might call me crazy, but I could genuinely have it for every single meal and still be happy. For contouring, I'm using this stick which is from the brand NY Bay. And if you have any good recommendations for a contour, let me know in the comments section. Here's more about me. I have the ability to remember names. It's like my brain has a built in SD card. If you meet me once, chances are still that I'll remember your name years later. Some might find it impressive, but also some might find it creepy, but I call it my hidden talent. And for blending the contour, I'm using this pack angular brush to blend. Blending is the only technique, and you'll see the difference in a while. Also, this is very funny. I'm a terrible navigator. Even Google Maps confuses me sometimes. The real chaos happens, especially when I have to guide my husband while he is driving. By the time he realizes I'm wrong, we are already stuck in traffic and we're barely speaking. Growing up, I always wanted to be a doctor, but life had other plans. I have a full-time job, and on weekends, I help brides find their dream dresses. I own a bridal boutique. One of my proudest achievements so far has to be building my bridal boutique. For blush, I'm using liquid blush from Rare Beauty. I have so many, but this has to be my favorite. This blush gives a sheer glow. And coming to my favorite makeup products, if I have to ever choose one, it has to be a blush. It instantly makes me feel fresh and glowing. But honestly, a good skincare is a must for me. In school, I was a total introvert. Now I would say I am more of an ambivert. Still not the first one to start a conversation, but I am still getting there. In college, I was all about partying and having fun, but now I like to relax and chill at home. Even if I go out to party, I'm the first person to head home early. I love being in my own space. Also, in my college days, I had two ear piercings that looked beautiful, but I closed them because every time I went out to party or dance, someone's hand would hit my ears or my hair would get stuck. The struggle wasn't worth it. Also, my life's major regret back in college is I got this tattoo done on my right wrist, and the story behind it is a bit of a mess. I wanted two tattoos in a day, and I was not sure about the pain. One, my initial with the queen crown, and the second one was a belief tattoo. And here's a catch. I was late to hostel, full in panic mode, and I asked my friends to distract me because the tattoos hurt. Long story short, I had sent my tattoos picture to my cousin, and he noticed and pointed out that Believe had turned into Believe. I was like, wait, what? Later, I got it fixed, but after that, no more tattoos for me. Let's move on to my eyes. If you like to experiment with colors, then this is the palette. This is from the brand Mars. Okay, let's do the transition while I use different colors and make funny face. I'm great at starting a new hobby, but terrible at finishing it. I have got a collection of unfinished projects at this point. I have a crazy sweet tooth and I absolutely love sweets and chocolates. Sticking to a diet is highly challenging, always a dessert over diet, girly. Also, I can never decide on a movie, so I'll spend 30 minutes scrolling through options and end up watching something I've already watched. I always say I'll get fit, but my gym membership ends up being more of a donation than an actual planned workout. Back in school, I would spend hours drawing dress designs in my notebook, never imagining that one day I would own a boutique. I also remember my mom doing my makeup, and I think that's where I got my love for it. Funny how those small things growing up lead to where I am today. I love fashion and makeup. Even on my saddest days, a little therapy or playing with makeup lifts my mood. And I am really grateful for this life, living the dream, creating content, and owning my bridal boutique. It's wild how dreams evolve, and I am so glad they did. I'm truly grateful for my family and friends. They have always been there to support me no matter what. I am a firm believer that good things take time, and I live by that everything I do. The eyeliner I'm using is from Swiss Beauty. It has super precise tip, making it easy to draw sharp lines or even create fun designs. I love using this every time. Also, I have had my fair share of small and big injuries. As a kid, I was being little monkey while my mom was trimming my sister's hair, and well, the scissors poked me, but I was safe. They actually poked me into my wrist where you can actually see my tattoo. Then, few years back during Diwali, I had a ligament injury when a man busted a sutli bomb on road. Not my fault. My bike skidded because of it. Also, I have had multiple fistula surgeries, and I'm really grateful to God that I eventually found the right doctors after some confusion in the beginning. I almost lost faith during that time. And yes, I also got my appendix removed. It's been quite the journey, but I'm still going strong. Everything you see on social media is just the right thing people like to show. But the truth is, everyone has their ups and downs. You gotta face it, what it is. Life isn't perfect. It's okay to have challenges. What matters is how you face them and keep moving forward. Right now, I'm just being little emotional, and yeah, that's little glimpse into my world. I have removed the excess lip balm and I have applied liquid matte lipstick from the brand Sugar and Shiseido. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's a Korean brand and it glides very smoothly. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out the product details below and let me know if we have anything in common. I would love to hear you guys in the comments, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.